stuck.
Nearly tip it over then.
Yeah, if we fall off the end of it.
We might have a problem here.
Oh yeah.
You're not going down there, are you?
No, I'm fine, mate. I'm in. Don't you worry about it. Go on, piss off.
Who's going to make it up the easiest?
I'm saying we are. We're going to smash that.
All right.
Easy.
I thought it was supposed to be off-road, isn't it? All we're doing is opening gates.
I know. Oh, is he stuck there?
A bit of drama already. Go on, Rye. So tip it over. Nearly tip it over then.
Nearly.
Go on, do it properly. Got your seatbelt on?
Oh.
We might have a problem here.
Oh yeah. Sheep everywhere.
Two sheeps here. Is it sheeps or sheep?
There's no such thing as sheeps. So sheep is both singular and plural. Do you know what I found that out on? Clarkson's Farm. If you've not watched that, get onto that. It's brilliant.
Cheers, thanks.
I mean, it's ironing out the bumps quite well, isn't it?
Yeah. Just a bit. Missed it.
Easy, mate.
Up that hill. I think you're going to struggle here, mate.
No.
I don't think you've got good enough tyres.
Steady wins the race.
Exactly. Don't know about him getting up. Don't think I'm going to get up.
You're knackered.
I thought this was going to struggle.
It
was me in the end. So loads of you guys have asked us in the past, how do we get started on YouTube? You know, how do you edit the stuff? How do you film the stuff? This is where we have to say thank you to today's sponsor, Skillshare.
Yeah, had we have known these guys at the beginning, they would have saved us loads of hassle. I mean, you had plenty of editing experience before. You consider yourself a semi-professional.
I'm an expert. But what if I'd not had any experience?
Yeah.
And for anybody that doesn't know Skillshare, what is it?
It's an online learning community. There's thousands of different classes by loads and loads of different people that all put informational videos on there that you can go on, you can see how things work, what you do, the best ways to do things, what you should be doing, shouldn't be doing. There's loads of really good stuff.
So what you're trying to say is, if you wanted to start a YouTube channel,
yeah,
Skillshare could, in theory, help you start it and launch it.
There's videos on there to that exact effect, yeah. There's one by Marcus Brownlee. It's brilliant. YouTube success. Script, edit your YouTube videos, the content, keep it relevant, all that kind of stuff. Get on, have a look, see what you think.
You've got the opportunity to sign up and get the free 30 days membership, which is for the first 1,000 people. So the link is below. Once the 1,000 sign-ups have gone, that is it.
Get involved. It helps Skillshare. It helps us massively as creators, and it'll hopefully help you guys.
The main thing is it will help you guys. Yeah. If you want to learn about stuff, use the link, sign up, see what you think. Let us know in the comments.
Thanks very much.
naked head. Fall off the end of it. Should have put the seatbelt on. So I thought this off-roading was going to be like just safe and stuff. I didn't even need my seatbelt on, but did you see that cliff?
That, I mean, we were at the top of there then, weren't we? That was well high up.
Yeah.
Dangerous that. I found my new calling though. Gate opener, smashed it.
That. You're expert. Another certificate for you.
Yeah, that's what I need.
Straighten now, straighten me up. Right, perfect.
You're on strike now. You finished?
No mate, I'm happy to do it, but Ryan's saying no, we're not opening another gate.
Oh, we're not doing another gate? I'll do the gate.
No, Lee, I'll do it. Well, Ben will do it.
I'll do it.
Got your seatbelt on? Right, come on, get out on the top. Come on, get out.
Hey, don't
That's the. I'm filming, so I would have done it normally.
Listen,
come on, you've got the roof
my
rails.
slight and slender frame will make no difference trying to counterweight this. Anyway,
Ben.
no chance, mate. It's not happening.
You are the passenger. That's what the passengers have to do. Look at him over there. I'm filming.
I'll pass me that. I'll do that instead. No chance, mate.
You're not going down there, are you? Is that safe? Is it safe being up there? You've got a mattress. Yeah. Your turn next. Alright there, pal.
I'm alright there, mate. I'm at a funny angle.
Is one of your mates in?
No relation at all.
John's chasing lambs off there.
I bet he's telling you to hit me then. So, swimming trunks time, yeah?
Oh yeah, I bought my Speedos with me.
These are them.
You'll need them.
Yeah.
These are them dip side top.
Are these big ones, these ones?
Is this just for show? A snorkel, is it?
Yeah,
How does it work?
just for show.
think that's going to get through, is it? What do you reckon, Ben?
I mean, I'm no expert, but it looks like he's stuck.
Get Ryan to come round me and I'll get the strap on the front.
Alright, you're good at getting the strap on. Go on, crack on.
Created like a jam.
Strap on, Ryan.
Strap on.
You don't do any more, mate. You're digging yourself in.
He's created a dam. Look.
He has actually, yeah. This wasn't actually that deep, was it? Hey.
Mate, I can feel it clogging out.
Come on, right to the rescue. Come on,
Stay there in a set, mate. Don't
see what
spin it.
Shogun can do.
Come on, straight back. It's getting shallow. Come on. Try to come over and touch. You're not stuck, honestly. That's it.
We're just about to see it now.
Right. Back it up, go in.
Whose idea was this?
Well, it weren't mine.
We're
I
in the
don't
middle
do
of
stupid
nowhere.
ideas. This is why I play it safe, mate, so you don't end up like this.
But the thing is, if Ray gets stuck in that, this is stuck. I mean, I'm going wrong with Jordan, so I'm fine.
yeah, we're all right there.
Oh, hold on a minute, you come in,
No,
right?
there isn't we.
There's 2 seats in
No,
there.
mate, all you do is here. I'm navigate. You just bounce a left there,
No,
straight up over the hill.
We wasn't good enough for you on the way.
That's it.
I can't see it. It's too covered in mud.
Pull now, right. Spin it. Pull. Whoa, wait. Come back to your foot and just give him a bit of a snap to you, mate. You're bugging in there.
Go on.
Right. Whoa. Right, give it a little bit.
Clutch is burning out. Fucking stinks.
Is it? Well, I'm buying the L2 on it. The auto.
Are you not Green Lane professional? Are you not like?
Well, this was like the make or break, whether I was going to get a pickup, you know, like an off-roader.
Yeah, he does.
This was a good idea last week, wasn't it?
When we're working and making videos, you're usually giving it the old right, do this, do that, do the other. I've not heard a peep out of you now.
Hey, I'm on the edge of my seat here, mate.
Still knackered, aren't you, Grandad, from climbing up that
I've
hill?
fucking gone up all them hills over there, mate. You're alright, you've been sat in this for the rest of it.
Get the drone up, get the whole footage on the drone. We go above and beyond for the footage because the stuff with the GH5 here isn't going to be good enough. You can see now how the 3 are all connected to each other.
I just hope that the drone doesn't get stuck in the mud.
So this might be a first, because we've got drone footage. I don't know if the GH5's picking that up, I don't think it is a reflection. But you'll be able to see the drone footage and then me recording Lee recording the drone footage. How about that?
I mean, it's like a vicious circle, isn't it, of footage? I mean, look at that now.
That's a vicious circle, mate. I don't know if you can see it because of the reflection, but
I mean, that's how much in the middle of nowhere we are.
we are literally nothing going on for miles and miles. But we're doing what we do best.
What now?
Fuck all. Staying well out the way. She is out. Get in.
Get in, I'm buzzing me, mate. I want to go
Right.
home now.
You can bring the drone down now. Hey, you know how to clean this though, don't you? One bucket method.
You want to be riding to that, right? Very slate on the bottom of that, mate.
Everyone's
Like
got
fucking
dark trainers on.
milkshake.
Oh yeah, apart from me.
White.
I only do white sneaks though, you know that.
Just said
They're alright.
Harry don't do off-road, do they?
No, they don't. No, tennis shoes, mate.
Evil GT does though, doesn't it? EvilGT.com.
All black.
Go and have a look. So we got away with that one, right? Through the mud.
Yeah.
And now you're going to go through water.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, right in the head, you
I
two.
don't even know if it'll pull off, mate, because of that clutch.
Nah, we read that. Thing is though, it's not mine, so I'll abandon ship if
Yeah,
it gets
but
stuck.
you've seen the banks, you can't get out.
No, I'll
So
get out there. I'll
you
climb
have to
through
get
the
up on
window.
the roof if you need to get out.
Smash that, mate.
Right, come on then. Are you confident?
No.
Leave it to the professionals.
Just be on call again because you're going to need
Oh,
that
well,
tow
yeah,
rope.
service vehicle.
Yes, this is the best bit.
Left side.
Oh.
Go on, slowly, right, you're about to drop down into a rut. Slow, slow, slow. Right, wheels are coming off now. Stick that side, mate, or left, go. That's it, that's it. You just snap that pillar clean in half, keep going. You're going to drop now. Now. Pull left, sorry, that's it, you stood. This is now the stunt for the green for the catch. Right, George, you have to do something. Right now, right hand on. Right hand down, mate. Right hand down. Left hand down now. Think that wheel's going to drop now. Going. Right, go on lad, keep going, keep going.
Well, there's a drop down there. What's that in the, that seat there? No, so it is. Looking up to say, don't be come crashing down here because I can't get out of the way quick enough. Right, supposedly we're done. That's it, end of it. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, smashed that, mate. I enjoyed that. Yeah,
so
it's good.
subscribe and Ryan will take you next time, yeah? Everyone that subscribes, you'll take them out.
Passenger ride.
Passenger ride.
Every single one. Sound? So we get him one then?
Yeah, we got it, haven't we?
Yeah.
We're not spending loads though. Very cheap.
Much cheapness?
Yeah, very cheapness.
Alright, yeah. So
How's your clutch?
we can sort something out. I'm thinking like a Land Cruiser or something like that.
No, Land Cruisers are dead expensive.
No, they're not old ones.
Let's get a disco. Oh, the Shogun.
Yeah, I'll get a Shogun.
It's done good.
I want an auto though.
So, I think Rye's burnt his clutch out a little bit, yeah?
Well, about half.
Iffy. Might need replacing.
Definitely.
That has got no issues, the disco, no?
No.
Well,
right?
it nearly didn't come
actually,
home.
the bumpers come off.
Yeah, front and back.
And he's got nothing wrong with him.
Well,
The L200's made it.
Professionals turned up.
Stayed on the fanny track, no all the way.
We win. Me and Jordan.
Whatever.
Yeah?
On that note, ciao.
Ta, mate. Ta.
See you later. See you next week.